Looking for kid-friendly fall projects? Turn your caramel apples into colorful turkeys. Learn to make these fun, festive little guys using edible images and chocolate. Our class is easy to follow and great for all ages. The best part of this class is that it's all on demand, so you can watch it at your own pace. So grab the kids or a friend and let's get started.
To get caramel to stick to apples, put it in boiling hot water for 5 to 10 seconds. It will get that waxy buildup off, and then insert your caramel apple sticks or skewers, and you're ready for the next step. We need caramel to coat our apples, and you can either make some homemade caramel or you can cheat like me and use Peter's caramel. I simply stuck it in the microwave, heated it up to a thin consistency, dip my apple in, give it a twirl, give it a wipe on the side of the Pyrex container, and then place it on a piece of acetate to firm up. Here's a quick cleanup tip. After you make your caramel apples, while the caramel is still warm, dump it into a silicone bowl, let it set up, pop it out, stick it in a Ziploc bag, and you're ready for next time. Using a graphic design program, I have drawn out my cute little turkey. I have printed him or her onto a edible image frosting sheet using an edible printer. Just take some scissors, cut out around your turkey, repeat the process depending on how many caramel apples you would like to make. If you'd like to get the template for the turkey, you can visit epicdelights.com to download that. Next, I want to create an edible plaque with my turkey, so I'm using some of that coating compound on the acetate. I'm taking my edible frosting image sheet of the turkey, placing that right on top of that coating compound while it's still wet. I'm going to let that firm up, and then I'm going to take a pen blade or an X-Acto knife and carve right around the outline of that turkey so that I can pop it out of the chocolate. You'll want to repeat this process depending on how many you are making, and be really careful when you're removing them from the acetate not to break them. Clean up the edges and you're ready for the next step. Need to entertain the adults and the children? Let's make caramel apples. To make the turkey feathers, I'm using coating compounds, specifically Wilton candy melts. You could use Merkin's, Ghirardelli, Guittard, really any type of coating chocolate. I'm using 3 different sizes of offset spatulas, using the chocolate and pressing it into an acetate sheet to create my cute little feathers.